How to fix TikTok video quality after upload 2026. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok video quality after upload step by step. So if your TikTok videos become blurry, low quality, or pixelated after posting, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Media Quality or Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, turn it off because it reduces video quality while uploading and watching videos. Now go back and upload your video normally. Make sure your internet connection is strong while uploading because weak internet can reduce video quality. After that, your TikTok video quality should look much better. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share.